Good morning. Well, Aussie equities are set to start the trading week in the right direction, with the futures eyeing a lift of 0.6% at the open, following global equities higher. Now, the big theme is the economy reopening, with the oil demand continuing to rise, and it's fueled the oil price up for the third straight week. And WTI oil settled 6% higher to $29.85 a barrel. Now, on Friday, the Nasdaq charged up 0.8%. The S&P 500 ended 0.4% higher. Over in Europe, things were a little bit more buoyed. The stock 600 gained 0.5%, while the UK and German markets gained over 1% each, with resources stocks there leading the rally. Now, gold has firmed to a 7-year high, $1,762 an ounce, with Goldman Sachs saying it'll get to $1,800 an ounce by the end of the year. Now, what to watch today locally? Well, Auckland International Airport, AIA, has just reported very bleak passenger numbers. Passengers, in fact, fell 42% in March and almost 98% in April compared to the same time last year. No real surprises, really, given the travel restrictions. Now, AIA shares closed at $5.30 on Friday, but Morningstar says fair value for AIA is $6.55, given Auckland International Airport is the largest airport in New Zealand, and most passengers travel in and out of their doors. Now, secondly, Ramsay Health Care, RHC, has just announced it's finalised the agreement with the Western Australian government, making their services and facilities available in the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, in return, Ramsay will receive all recoverable costs for their services, along with depreciation expenses for their capital. Now, RHC shares closed at $64.13 on Friday. Citi says RHC is a hold stock with a price target of $69. Now, what else to watch today? Well, the US Federal Reserve Chair has just hinted the US economy could steadily recover later this year, and that has seen the US stock futures tick higher, indicating a positive start for their trading week. That also means it'll buoy, or hopefully buoy, our equity session later in the day as well, if they continue to rise. Now, as for a local trading idea, Bell Potter reiterated Cyclopharm, CYC, as a buy, with a $1.77 price target. That implies 31% share price growth based off their Friday close price of $1.35. Now, it comes as CYC is set to enter the US, and it could also be used, or their Technigas could also be used to help COVID-19 patients. Now, Cyclopharm is a leading lung imaging nuclear medicine company. Their services, or their technology, is already used at scores of nuclear medicine clinics across the world, including in the Alfred in Australia and at Macquarie University Hospital. Now, CYC shares are 10% higher this year. Trading Central's data also supports the stock. Trading Central's data available on Bell Direct under Research and Tools, and CYC is looking like it's a very strong bullish stock. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading and stay safe.